Hi, welcome to this WordPress crash course. So in this course, I will tell you about how to create a website using WordPress, and I will show you like how to use it practically. Okay, so how to use the plugins, how to use the themes. Okay, so every functionality I will tell you in this course. So this is WordPress.org website. So this is so just I want to tell you like what is WordPress. So WordPress is a free open source content management system, that is CMS, that lets users create and manage websites. It is the most popular CMS in the world, used by many websites including blogs, online stores and portfolios. So basically the features why WordPress is so popular, because first of all, like it has great features, like it is easy to use and it is free to use. And the another advantage is there's no need of coding requirement. So because to build the website, so there are some other programming languages like Java, .NET, C Sharp, Python. Okay, so there's a requirement of doing coding in those programming languages, but using WordPress, there's no need of coding. It's just a simple drag and drop features. Everyone can build the website using WordPress very easily. So that is why it is very popular and mostly used to build the websites. So these are some features. So I'm not going through all of these things because I will show you more by doing the practical, like how to build the websites. So these are some key benefits, and another benefit is customization. So like the customization, everything can be customized on WordPress admin, on WordPress website, like changing of font color, font style, image, video, anything that can be customized, everything can be changed. Okay, so this is the mobile responsive, cost effective, scalability large. So these are some features. That's why WordPress is used and why you should choose WordPress for building your website. Okay, so next thing is like you have to build a website. What you need to have a website? So there are requirement two, that is one is domain name. You just need to have a website like google.com, flipkart.com, amazon.com. So these are the name of the websites. Like this, you should also have some name of your website, so that once any people will use that the name of that website, so he will visit your website. Another thing is requirement of web hosting plan. So it can be free or paid as per your choice. There are some free web hosting provider like weebly.com, triple zero, webhost.com. So there are so many, and another is paid like hostinger.com, and there are so many, bluehost, godaddy.com. So there are so many you can use. So but in the free web hosting plan, what you will get is you will get the subdomain. Like if you want a website name traveling.com, then you will get something like traveling.weebly.com if you are using weebly.com free web hosting plan. Okay, so this is very difficult to remember. So that's why most of the people they use the paid one. So and I just use the Hostinger. Here you can see this is my account of Hostinger, and this is my domain. I have bought homerealestates.com, so I will build a website on this domain. And this is the my referral code. If you will use it, so you can get a good discount here. Uh, just let me show you. So if you will use, I will give this referral code and this file. You can download it from resources folder of this course. So once you will do it this, and you can just select any plan. So this is the most popular. and because it has many advantages like 25 websites good things, so this is most popular. And if you will choose this, so after using my referral code you will get 20% extra discount. So I'm just clicking on this. It's not working. uh, so I just refreshed the page. Now it's working. So here you can see I used my referral code and I have got 20% extra referrals discount and 75%. You can choose the duration as per your requirement, and you will also get great news like your free domain plus 3 months free. Okay, so this is the promotion going on. You can just use it for your benefit. So basically I recommend hostingers. I also have websites, my websites on this. I used it. So this is very good, web hosting services platform. After that, what you need to do is you just need to buy a domain for your website. So what you need to do is, just let me show you. For buying a domain, you can just go to any website from where you want to buy the domain. You can just go to services and you can just go to domain name. So you can search for a domain name. So some domains are already bought by someone. As an example, if I will try to buy amazon.com, so I will not be able to buy it because this is already bought by someone. Okay, so this is not available. Has been already taken. So you just need to, I'm just using traveling123.com because this might not be taken by anyone. Okay, so you can buy which are available to. So here you can see this is available to buy because no one will buy uh, like this 123. If you will try to buy this, so this will not be available to buy because this is already bought by someone. Okay, so you can just search for domain, and after that you can just select and you can use the option buy now. You can make the payment, and after making the payment and filling your details, so you will get the domains. So after that what you need to do is you just need to go to the dashboard, and on the dashboard you will get the option like you will see the domain name. And after that what you need to do is you just need to install WordPress on your website. Okay, so this is your website. So you will go to overview, and then you need to click on WordPress, then overview, and in overview you will get this option install WordPress. You just need to click on install button. Okay, so I will see you in the next video. Thank you.